Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to make very wonderful flower vase. So first of all we took this cardboard and now we are going to draw the kind of flower vase we want. So you can draw any kind of shape which you want, but we need particularly this type. So you can see here. Now with the help of cutter I am cutting the exact shape. So you can see here we did this one. Now you can see here I took the same one. So now I'm going to draw with the help of this and I'm going to make others also. So here you can see we are done with it. So one thing you need to be careful is all the shapes has to be of equal size. So after that take a bottle. So we are taking here a small bottle. If you want you can take big one also, that will be more good. So now we are cutting the top part. So you can see here it is ready. So this is how we are going to make it. So according to the size of the flower vase which we want to make, the bottle is little bit small. So if you want you can take big bottle also. So we are going to use glue gun because it is very strong. So before we stick directly we are going to mark it, like how many pieces we have and in what gap we are going to place it. So I can't give you the exact measurement because it depends upon how big or small you want to make your flower vase. So we just did it here, mark. So stick all glues in this straight part and then this is how we are going to stick it with the bottle. So do it one by one. And at last we need the base. So I took this round one from the cardboard. So now we are going to stick glue on all the edges and then we are going to stick it with the base. So that will give us the final look of the flower vase. So we are done with it. So this is how the shape of the flower vase will be after we finish the process. So take a ball and add little bit of Fevicol, and you can add water also if it is too thick. And now we are going to give it good shape with the help of Fevicol and paper. So we cut the paper into small pieces. So this is how we are pasting it and giving it a shape. You can see here. So follow the same process as you see in the video. And in between we even use white tape to give more good shape. So this is the final one. So this is how our flower vase is going to be at the end. So this is not enough, still some process are there. So after this finally we are applying white cement. So apply it all over. Make sure it should not be so thick. So you can use brush also as you are using here. And keep it aside for almost 4-5 hours to dry it completely. So you can see here we kept it overnight. So with the help of this we are going to take out all the coarse parts or all the extra things which was sticked over here. And you can see now the surface looks smooth. So guys, finally we have completed this one, as you can see. So this is a beautiful flower vase which we made out of cardboard. So now we are going to paint it. So see, it's very light, and you can use it for, and you can keep the flowers here. So now we are going to paint it. So we have decided to use two colors. One is black and the other one is golden. And you can see here leaves, we are going to use it. So we'll show you what kind of design we are going to do it. So come on, let's start. So before we start our painting, we are first going to tape it in different places with the help of white tape. So let's just wait. So make sure to tape just little bit only. See, just stick it here because we want kind of design here. So we are just going to tape it here. So this kind of flower vase you can use to keep artificial flower also, as well as the natural flower. So it is quite big. You can make small size also and big size also according to your choice. So guys, you can see here we are finally done. So we'll just wait for this one to be dried. And this is the flower vase. Thank you so much guys for watching. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.